Hello, today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today let me introduce you this awesome floor lamp LED dimmable with remote control. It is for living and dining rooms or where you like to get this. It's color changing LED floor lamp, 5 watt, 50 centimeters high. Control this lamp conveniently by the remote control and enjoy the comfort of this light. The lamp is individually dimmable for us and those enables a cozy atmosphere to feel good. We can use the remote control. The colorful LEDs can be controlled arbitrarily. We do not even need to get up from the sofa to change the light anymore. Yeah, this is awesome. And you can see there's a disco mode too. Oh yeah, disco party. It's dimmable and 7 different colors. Unity applied remote control. The perfect color selection for every mood. Adjustable in red, green, blue, purple, orange, yellow, and cold white. Each color infinitely is dimmable. The floor lamp consists of a long plastic tube in white. LED lights with 5 watts are already permanently installed. The bulbs have an average life of 20,000 hours. The floor lamp is 13 centimeters diameter and 50 centimeters high. This product is a large light you can see on this video. This modern LED lamp enables energy saving and energy efficient lights of our home, such as living room, dining room, bedroom, kitchen, hallway, etc. or office with pleasant light. Place that designer floor lamp as a reading lamp next to our couch or as an extravagant eye catcher in our living room. This lamp is also ideal as a child's room lamp or for a bedroom lamp, for example. And it's so easy to get control by using the remote. The light column included a 1.5 meter power cable. The remote control includes a battery, a 3-volt battery, CR2025, and it's really easy to set up. It is nice to use, and you have the remote with so much buttons on it. So you have button number 1 is on the right upper side. This is the on and off button to activate the light. Button number 2 is on the left side with the sun screen that sets the brightness level up or down. Up is on the left side, down is on the center side. Then you can use the button with the 2 arrows. This switch between the lights and the colored modes. Then you have the CW button that the color temperature at 6500 Kelvin. This is like daylight white. Then you have WW button that the good old color temperature at 2700 Kelvin. This is like warm white for living room, etc. Then you can use CT plus. This is increase the color temperature gradually, and the CT minus decrease the color temperature gradually. And then there is a button with an M that set the desired color change mode. Press presently to select desired mode for 3 colors in quick change, red, green, and blue. Then you push again 3 colors in soft gradient, red, green, and blue, or 7 colors in quick change, red, green, blue, yellow, pink, purple, and white. And if you push again, 7 colors and soft color transition. And this I like really much. 7 colors and soft color transition. Red, green, blue, yellow, pink, violet, and white. And then you have on the left side of the remote so many buttons. These are the desired color buttons. Then you can choose each color what you like to see on this lamp. That it is the awesome floor lamp. It is an LED dimmable lamp with LED by LuxJet. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel soon.